So let us continue with rational numbers. Sorry for the interruption which we had. We have rational. Rational numbers. Numbers which can be or rather numbers whose value okay, numbers whose value can be determined okay without any ambiguity are called rational numbers. I will explain you what does this mean, and I will also give you the definition which is given in the book. Rational numbers. See, I'm going to take a number under root 2. And we try to find the value of under root 2. Okay. If we take the value of under root 2, you see, I'll tell you the exact value which you get for under root 2 when you put it in the solve it. You get 1.41421356624. That's what the calculator gives an answer for this. Okay. Now, if you take this number and multiply with itself, you will see that actually you don't get root 2. You get somewhere around 1.999999, sorry, 1.19999 and so on. You don't get root 2. I understand. It means this is not the perfect answer. It's not the perfect answer. Are you understanding? It is not the perfect answer. Means what I'm trying to say is that the exact value of under root 2 cannot be determined. Cannot be determined. Alright, it is not possible for me to determine exactly the value of this under root 2. So we say that this is irrational. It's not rational. It is irrational. What is rational? Whose value can be determined. What is irrational? Whose value cannot be clearly determined. Okay. Now, of course, this definition looks a little bit, what I should say, not seems to very understandable. They have further modified this definition and given and expanded it to saying that a number which can be represented in the form of P by Q. I'll explain that definition so that you understand how this and that are connected. The definition given for the rational numbers is a number which can be represented in the form of P by Q where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Okay. Such numbers are called rational number. Now what do I mean? There is one more definition of this. Okay. It says that terminating or repeating decimal numbers are called rational numbers. Understand? Terminating. What is the meaning of the terminate? Terminating means which ends. Okay. That's like 1.2134 ended, over. Okay, it ends. Or repeating. I'll tell you what is repeating. Repeating is 1.232323. So it is repeating na? Every time 2323 is coming. Clear? If all the further values always you are getting 23, then this is called repeating. Repeating. And if it ends, it's called terminating. So terminating or repeating, both these kind of numbers are called rational numbers. Or it should be represented in the form of P by Q, where P is it should be represented in the form of P by Q. It should be represented in the form of P by Q, where P is an integer, Q is an integer. Now, how does this and this means the same? See, this terminating or repeating, both these can be written in this form. I'll explain to you how. Please pay attention. Let's write a terminating decimal fraction. Let's, for example, I am taking a terminating decimal 1.234. And clearly this is what? 1234 divided by 1000. Clear now? Okay. And if this is further divisible, then fine. If it is not divisible, this is the value. So terminating can be represented in the form of what? P by Q. Correct now? This is P, and this is Q. So no problems. Now what happens if it is repeating? What happens if it is repeating? If it is repeating, let's say 1.232323. Let's say take this. Let us say this number is x equal to 1.2323 and so on. And see, what is the value of 100x? Just see. 100x is 123.2323 and so on. You see, I have got this repeating part over here. Now, subtract from 100x this x. So we get 99x equal to 123.232323 so on, minus 1.2323 and so on. Now see what you get. Check this value. This is 123.232323 minus 1.23. So you see this 2323 got cancelled and it is 123 minus 1. So that is 122. So you see x is basically 122 divided by 99. Okay. So 122 divided by 99 is the 122 divided by 99 is the value of this expression. Okay, it's the value of this expression. So you see, similarly it can be done for any repeating. Okay, it can be done for any repeating. We're going to do a lot of problems, then this concept will become more clear to you. So now we have come to the conclusion that what is a rational number? What is a rational number? Understand, rational numbers are repeating or terminating decimals. Or we can use P by Q, where PQ belong to Z, Q is not equal to 0. Hope you are clear with it.